Together, in my mind, it meant forever. But things have changed, they're not the same. How can we go on loving this way? You say you love me, but you really don't. You want to argue, and I just won't. It's bad enough, have to come home too. Oh man, who puts me in a real bad mood? I wanna be free from love, from the pain, from the heartache you're causing me. Fair to blame it on you. All these problems that we're going through. Sometimes it's me who gets you upset, but when it's you, you won't admit it. We try to talk but we misunderstand, so I stay quiet and you get all mad. It's bad enough, have to come home too. A man who puts me in a real bad mood. I wanna be free from love, from the pain, from the heartache you're causing me. I wanna be free from love, from the pain, from the heartache you're causing me. I wanna be free from love, from the pain, from the heartache you're causing me. I wanna be free from love, from the pain, from the heartache you're causing me.
What I don't do after all that I did for you, trying to show you love and stay true, but it seems it still won't do. Arguing, fussing and cussing at each other like we enemies, going against the grain with nothing but negative energy. Not saying that I ain't got no faults and I'm perfect, but all this stressing me stressing you. Tell me, is it worth it?